you. Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today we're opening up Sassy Box. So quick disclaimer, this is an adult subscription box. So if you happen to be under 18, which I can see from analytics, none of you guys are, or if this makes you uncomfortable, don't worry. I post videos every single day. You don't have to watch this one. And I always try and post these videos like later at night, usually on weekends, so you don't have to worry about, or hopefully, you know, like little ones won't happen to be around somehow. But, you know, it's fine. We're all adults here. I think this is important to talk about sexual health and stuff like that. But anyways, before we get started in unboxing, I just want to take a moment to say hi, hello. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Kitty. I do subscription unboxings every single day here on our channel. So if you're into that kind of thing, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We recently hit 9,000 subscribers, and as a big thank you for all of your love and support, I'm hosting a giveaway, and that ends in just a few days. So if you have not yet entered, I will leave the giveaway video linked at the end of this one. But let's get started on Sassy Box. So it always gets shipped very discreetly. It doesn't even say Sassy Box on the return address or anything like that. And look, it looks so fun and innocent and cute. So yeah, this box is just supposed to, you know, help spike some fun, some romance, let out your inner fantasies, all of that stuff. You could get this if you are in a relationship, or if you're like me and you're a single girl, whoever you are, single girl, boy. Yeah, and when you sign up, you do fill out a profile and you let them know what types of things you like and don't like. When you open it up, this is what it looks like. So they have a card here and it says, Sassy Box, explore your sexual fantasies. And then it talks about the items that come inside. And just sneak peek of what we will be unboxing. The first thing looks so fun. This is by Luscious Cherry, or maybe that's just the name of this exact item, but it's edible body pasties. So look, you got pasties. I think that's so fun. So you can see how you wear them there. I love pasties. I need to order some. This is reminding me, like, from Amazon, like the little petals. Like, I love wearing those instead of a bra. First of all, I hate bras. But yeah, they're very convenient, especially when you're wearing certain types of clothing. But these are like a whole new level. These are like kind of sexy and cute. And they're edible? Do you think they taste like cherries too? Oh yeah, it says the ingredients on the back. So instructions, moisten the back of the pasties, stick, and then lick. And it's made pretty much with like sugar. So it's gotta taste good, right? Let's see what it says on here. So they don't provide any of the pricing, but they do give descriptions for each. So edible body pasties that are in fun shapes and taste delicious. The nipple stimulator pasties make mouth-watering nipple treats. Moisten the back, stick, then lick. So I think we just have a set of one in here. So obviously there's a one-time use since you like lick them and eat them off your body. So we always get a toy every month, which I love, and I think this is the toy of the month. This is OVO Lifestyle Toys. There's some plastic overwrap, so they might have been reflective. Let me get it out. And by the way, there's a storm outside. I can hear some thunder. I find it relaxing, but if you guys hear that, that's what it is. Summertime Florida. So this is the OVO S1 Panty Vibe. Oh man, is this something you put in your panties? So there's a little card here that tells you about it, so you have to charge it before use. So this is what it looks like. I'll take it out in just a second. Let's read about it first. So the OVO S1 Panty Vibe is about to give you a very good reason to put a date night on your calendar, whether it's with a partner or you, yourself, and you. Snuggling sexily against the body thanks to a thoughtfully curvy shape, the sleek, silky panty vibe fits perfectly into a favorite pair of panties or held in hand to direct 7 possible modes of throbbing vibrations straight to sweet spots. God, I'm stumbling over all my words. Oh, I don't have anything like this. You know what I've always wanted is like vibrating panties that someone has the remote to. Maybe I should find a boyfriend first or something like that, or a partner, but yeah, I think those sound fun, but this is like very close to it, so this is what it looks like. Very small. You can totally put this in your underwear without it being obvious. I mean, I think it would only be obvious if you were like wearing a bathing suit or no clothes, I don't know. But yeah, so this is like soft right here. So you must just put it in like this. Oh, there's another little pamphlet too that talks all about it. I love when there's instructions for things. Ooh, so this is designed in Germany. Wow, there's a 15-year warranty on these. That's like half of my lifetime. So 15 years, that's crazy. So 15-year warranty, high quality materials. Our products are made using the best materials such as silicone and modern pressing techniques. They're highly innovative solutions, some of them unique, all conceived and designed in Germany, guaranteeing maximum production quality. Wow, yeah, they must really believe in their products for 15 years? Oh my god, it shows their other things in here. I'm trying to find this. So they have a lot of cool toys in this teeny little pamphlet, booklet, whatever this is. Gosh, can I just have these all? Oh, so you could get this either black, this like pinky purple color, or white. I like the color we got. Obviously, I'm such a girly girl. So easy to reach control buttons, can also be used as a vibrating feather, USB rechargeable, waterproof, 7 programs, whisper quiet, and powerful motor. So yeah, it's really quiet, so you could do it on the go. So I have to charge it. It says fully charged before first use. I'm gonna put it on charger now, but yeah, it won't be fully charged by the end of this video. I want like to show you guys the speeds and stuff. So here is the charger that comes with it. Yeah, I'm really excited about this. This is totally more my speed. So like there was a theme, it seemed, last month. It was more like anal play, and that's not really my thing, but I'm open to exploring whatever, but this is so fun, I think. But let's move on to the next item. Coochie shave cream. The Coochie Oh So Smooth Shave Cream. Be original. So it's in a packet. It says, ignite a passionate conversation with Be Original, infused with vanilla, orange blossom, and gardenias. You'll want to bear this velvety powderness of this signature fragrance. So it gives directions. It pretty much just tells you how to shave, let skin, apply a thin layer, and shave and rinse. Oh wow, you can also use this as a hair conditioner. I think I'm gonna use it as a coochie shaving cream though. I am so prone to getting like razor burn and ingrown hairs down there. I think my hair is just so fine. So I'll see if this helps. Do they have any more information here? Craving the smoothest, sweetest smelling, most touchable, close shaven skin on the planet. Coochie Silky Shave Cream will have legs, pits, bits, and beyond, incredibly soft and yummy. So you get only 15 milliliters in here, so definitely you can get multiple uses. It would have been nice to get like a bigger size, but I wonder if this stuff is expensive. And then we have one more item in here, and this is by Sex and Mischief. It's a black leash and collar. So in the back it says it's beginner friendly, faux leather, you can hand wash it, and it is nickel free. So the Sex Mischief black leash and collar. It's soft and comfortable yet ultra secure. The black leash and collar set is ideal for all sorts of creatively playful scenarios. Perfect for beginners and more experienced bondage dabblers alike. This set is impressively well made and can stand up to more rough and tough play as well as lighter submission fantasy fulfillment. So I've actually received a leash and collar in a different sex box I've received in the past. I'm thinking, is this weird? Like, maybe I could start collecting things I have duplicates of and stuff, and have like a sexy type of giveaway in the future. Is that something you guys would like? Maybe I can incorporate it into next month's video. Let's see if I can open this without really touching it too much, because if you guys are interested in adult fun giveaway, let me know down below, because I know it's not for everyone, but I'll include it in a video like this that, you know, people, I don't get why people are like that, but the people that don't want to watch won't know anyways. So it is in a bag, so it's all in here. So one day I'll give this to one of you guys. I've heard a lot of like couples are kind of struggling with romance during the quarantine. I would think it'd be like increasing because you're with each other all the time, but maybe that's the problem. But yeah, I think that sounds like a fun idea, so let me know. But anyways, that was everything, you guys. I am definitely the most excited about the toy, the Ovo Panty Vibe. But I'm actually excited about all the items besides the Elysian color just because I have something like that already, and honestly I don't think I've really used it yet. But this reminded me that I have it. And the pasties, like, I think these are so cute and fun. And the coochie cream, I will definitely use that next time I shave down there. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Again, I'm going to leave their website down below. And don't forget to enter the giveaway if you haven't yet. That should be showing up somewhere on the screen now or in just a second. But yeah, thanks for being here. I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.